Hello, friends! Today we're going on a fun adventure with insects. Are you ready? Let's go! This is an ant. Ants are small and very strong. They live in groups called colonies. Say with me, ant. This is a bee. Bees are yellow and black. They make sweet honey. Say with me, bee. This is a butterfly. Butterflies have big, colorful wings. They love flowers. Butterfly. This is a ladybug. Ladybugs are red with black spots. They are very cute and small. Say with me, ladybug. This is a grasshopper. Grasshoppers have long legs. They can jump very high. Say with me, grasshopper. This is a dragonfly. Dragonflies have big wings. They fly very fast. Say with me, dragonfly. This is a moth. Moths are like butterflies. They love the light at night. Say with me, moth, yes. This is a caterpillar. Caterpillars are long and soft. They eat leaves all day. Say with me, caterpillar. This is a beetle. Beetles have hard shells. They come in many colors. Say with me, beetle. This is a moth. Moths are like butterflies. They love the light at night. This is a spider. Spiders spin webs. They have 8 legs. Say with me, spider. This is a wasp. Wasps are black and yellow. They can fly very fast. Say with me, wasp. This is a termite. Termites are small insects. They eat wood. Say with me, termite. This is a praying mantis. Mantises have long arms. They look like they are praying. Say with me, praying mantis. This is a cockroach. Cockroaches run very fast. They come out at night. Say with me, cockroach. This is a scorpion. Scorpions have a big tail. They live in hot places. Say with me, scorpion. This is a stick insect. Stick insects look like sticks. They hide in trees and plants. Say with me, stick insect. Wow, we learned so many insects today. The ant, the bee, the butterfly, the ladybug, and more. You did an amazing job. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video so we can learn together again.